Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of exited account on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve exited account on CapCut app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to CapCut as you see and you can click. Here in this page of app info you will enter to first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Then you will enter to Play Store. You can search about CapCut. If you'll find here update in this blue sign, then you can update your app to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.